squash soup comes in many shapes and sizes. This one's got 4 ingredients and brings all the flavor you could ask for. It's super aromatic with lightly toasted ginger, pumpkin seeds, and a pumpkin crema. Let's get right into it. First stop, take 1 butternut or a squash of your choosing, and I'm gonna skip the peeler, grab a knife, and split it right in half, then scoop out the seeds. Lay it onto some foil, drizzle some olive oil on top, season it with salt, then put the squash back together, wrap it up with the foil, and toss it in a 450-degree oven for about 70 minutes until it's fork tender. While that's working, grab a cold pan, add some pumpkin seeds and a neutral oil. Bring this up to medium heat and toast the seeds while stirring occasionally until they're beautiful golden brown. Then strain them out, lay them onto paper towels, season them with salt, and make sure to keep that oil because it's incredibly delicious and we're gonna use it in just a minute. This soup is incredibly simple, but with really powerful flavors, and all it takes to get there is grabbing a couple of good nugs of ginger, mincing them up, tossing them into that same pumpkin seed pan, covering them with lots of neutral oil. I'm using grapeseed. Bring this up over high heat until the ginger is very lightly golden brown and smells incredible. Then dump it all out into a bowl and wait for your squash to be done. The weather is getting cold, so maybe drink some mulled wine or hot chocolate or play a game or smoke something. Personally, I'm R&Ding a burrito for a video that I'm pretty excited about. So I strained out some of, honestly, the most delicious beef I've had in a long time that's been sitting overnight and then worked on the recipe. This is definitely the classic trading time for work because while there's very little hands-on time with this recipe, you do have to wait for that squash to cook in the oven. So once that timer finally goes off, pull the squash out and scoop out all of the squash meat right out of the skin into a pot or bowl. Dump all of that incredibly delicious ginger with the oil right on top. It's gonna want a little bit of extra salt and then add water to loosen it. You could use stock here, I guess, but I don't think you're gonna want to. There's clean, powerful flavors here, and adding a bunch of like onion and carrot into the mix is not gonna help you out at all. It really just wants to be loosened, and I can promise the flavors will not disappoint. And finally, we're gonna make this incredible whipped pumpkin creme fraiche. Nice spoonful of creme fraiche right into that bowl, and a whisk. And we're not really gonna whip this like we're gonna try to get air into it because creme fraiche will break. What we're gonna do is incorporate some of this incredible pumpkin oil. It's gonna get on this beautiful green color, and that's all it takes. Season it with a little bit of salt, and that is so good. The soup is delicious. Give it a shot. Let me know what you think, and I will see you soon.